As you can see, the reverse light is working on the right side, and the left side the bulb has gone bad. So this is the Chevrolet Trailblazer, how to change your reverse bulb. And let's get started. So as you've seen it, the reverse light bulb is not working. So when I'm going to change the reverse light bulb, I will share with you at the same time how you can change your brake lights and signal light, the blinker light. These all three bulbs at the same assembly, they require the same process. So at this moment, my objective is to change the burn bulb on the reverse light. And so you can do it the same way. You can change your brake lights and the signal light. So let's get started. To change the reverse bulb is very easy and a simple process. You need a screwdriver, or if you have a drill, that is more handy. And we open those two screws, one on the top. So once we open these two screws, so we remove one screw from here and one from here. Once we remove it, then we put your hand here and just pry it out. And if we take a look here on the back, there are two guide pins, one here, one here. Those goes inside these holes. So sometimes stuck there, so you just need to pull it hard. The reverse light bulb is right here, which is gone bad. We need to remove the connector. So you press the connector, then you pull it. In order to get to the bulb, we need to open these three screws. The screws are open. This is the burn bad bulb. So we're going to pull it. And these are 3157 bulb. I get my replacement bulb. You just have to press it in. And to put it back, it's the same process. We put it back in the reverse order. So you've seen it. It's so easy to remove it, and I will test it before I put the screws in. I'm going to plug it in and we'll see the reverse light, which is at the bottom. See, this is the reverse, and this is the brake light, and this is the signal lamp. So you've seen it. It's so easy and simple to replace our reverse light. I'll unplug the connector, and now we're going to put the screws back in the reverse order. I hope this video will help you and motivate you to change yourself. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.